Hey guys, Adrian here from Redwater Dodge, the home of Riggerty Rams, Riggerty Approved and Riggerty Used. Right here, 2026 Ram 2500 Rebel diesel, guys. Coming to the front, we got the Rebel styled grille. We got the radar sensor up front for our adaptive cruise, parking sensors, heavy duty tow hooks and bumpers with skid plates, 20-inch wheels. We got Wrangler Duratrack tires, the off-road ready bushwhacker flares from factory, tow mirrors, of course, clearance lamps. This one does have power side steps. Now inside, it is a level 2 equipment group, so we got the digital display for the interactive passenger side. Heated cooled seats. We got Harman Kardon audio with over 19 speakers. We have a power sunroof, heated and cooled leather seating for all passengers in the front. The rear, they are heated, just came off the truck, so we still got the all-weather mats and all that. 60/40 bench with the cargo storage underneath and a subwoofer. Nice fit and finish throughout the whole truck. High mount review camera, as this one is equipped with fifth wheel prep, which is nice for all your trailer needs. Class 5 hitch. Open up the tailgate. Boom, you can drop in your gooseneck or your fifth wheel. The bed utility group, the lighting package as well. LED tail lights. This one does have Ram active air suspension for the rear, which is a load leveling system, which works phenomenal when you're hooking up to anything heavy. In the side here, we got power pedals, all power windows and locks and mirrors and all that stuff with memory seating, full digital dash. We do have Apple CarPlay, Android Audio, wireless charging, adaptive cruise, you name it, she's got it, guys. So for more information on this truck, give us a call, 780-942-3629.